this is Dan Simon here. And I'm a little frustrated right now, and I don't know if anybody else has this problem before, but damn, YouTube takes forever to upload sometimes. So, if y'all have ever had this problem before, hit me up. Let me know what y'all think. If it's hard, or if it's slow, or if it's crazy, y'all let me know, okay? And I appreciate comments. And like I said, you can all find me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Instagram, drs.simon. Twitter at Daniel R. Simon 85. And on Facebook as Dan Simon. I appreciate it. If you ever had this problem, look me up. Trying to upload some racing videos. Ain't happening. I'll try to get them uploaded tomorrow or the next day. Alright. Y'all be safe now. Bye.